Namhlanje bekubanjwe Ikulumopikiswano epalamende ngokukhuphuka mlibe kwentengo yeembaseli. Beyifuthumele Ikulumopikiswano kunganalapha kuvunyelwana khona. Iinhlangano eziphikisako aziyifni indaba yokukhuphuka kweembaseli.
Namhlanje Iinhlangano zepolitiki bezibambe ikulumopendulwano zikhuluma ngokukhuphuka khulu kweembaseli. Ithe isuka nje iDA yakhwela phezulu kwa-ANC.
When the DA removes the ANC from national government in 2024, we will slash the petrol price by R6 per litre. We'll slash it by cutting fuel prices and fuel taxes and by deregulating the fuel market.
Akhange kugcine lapho, EFF nayo yatsho bonyana abantu beSouth Africa basazokuthaka ngalombuso okhona.
You increase the price of fuel, you increase the price of fruit, the price of bread, the price of vegetables, and prices of all basic necessities. You increase the price of fuel, you increase the price of transport for school learners and workers whose wages have stagnated for years.
Akhange kuhlala isikhathi esikangani. Kuthome kwaba nerawurawu epalamende lokho amalunga we-EFF nakangwarana nospikara.
Honorable member, I'm talking to you. You withdraw that statement immediately.
Which statement am I withdrawing, Chairperson?
The one you said about Mr. Ramaphosa, what you said he did.
I said a lot of things about him. Can you
please withdraw it?
As well?
If you don't withdraw it...
I said a lot of things, Chairperson. Can you please... I said a lot of things about him. Please just...
Just withdraw.
Kutona ngemva kwesikhathi irakele phambili ikulumopendulwano.